Unison is a trade union which represents people who work in the health service, local government, civilian police, civilian fire, and the utilities. We have 1.4 million members across the UK.
And to say Unison have their work cut out for them at the moment wouldn't be a stretch too far. How has the coronavirus situation affected you?
From every level, from local level in workplaces, right through to staff working in the region and head office, we have mobilised all our resources into making sure that we're supporting those frontline workers who are out there tirelessly at the moment, working in hospitals, for social services. So we really are at the hub of making sure that public sector is getting all the support it needs and the people they provide for. I'm in regular discussions with Welsh Government around the issues that our workers are raising, from nursery provision to elderly care, to making sure that people have the appropriate protection equipment, and that we're also mobilising some of our retired members who have recently left the health service to support them if they want to return back to help in this extraordinary time.
Well, Tanya, diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Take care.